Hello everyone and welcome back again. After we finished from distribution our lighting fixtures and switches, as you see here, see we put this two-way switch as we said the last lecture. See here, this is for BH also. Here the second way switch, and also here we put one-way three gang and one-way switch. This is for GM. I will attach this drawing, you can check by yourself. In this lecture, we will make our electrical circuit, but before we start, I must consider four important things. Number one, the distance between the last lighting fixtures and the distributor panel port must be not more than 25 meters to avoid the voltage drop. What does that mean? That means if I put, for example, if I put the panel port here, the last luminaire must be not more than 25 meters. Why? Because if the wires from the distribution panel to the last luminaire be more than 25 meters, their voltage drop will be done in these wires. And to avoid the voltage drop, I must make, and for example, if this building is too big, I must divide it my plan to zone 1, zone 2, and any zone I will put panel board. Now here we will check this for lighting and panel port and any small load. This rule, for example, from here, from the center to here, it is just 14 meters, but you know, from panel port to the roof maybe around 2 meters, and also there are some, but I think it is 14. It will not meet the 25 meters. Now I will put my panel port in the center. Suppose I must choose that area. For example, maybe here in the store, I will discuss or negotiate with the architect engineer. I will take this room to be electrical room. Now suppose I take this room as electrical room. Now the next step is put my distribution panel here. Don't worry, we will take chapter on talking about this distribution panel. This is the symbol distribution panel. Suppose I change it to blue. Of course I will identify this in the legend. Now I will fulfill now the important things also is give a name to this distribution panel. Suppose we name it finite F distribution panel for 9, sorry, must be continue 9 and LTG. For example, I can name it as I want. Just for example, if I give it name like this, FDP, shortcut for distribution, final distribution panel, 9th LTG, 9th floor LTG lighting. Now the next step is I will start to make my circuit. Now how many watt for this luminaire? We back to the region 4 multiplied by 14, it equals 56 watt. Now I will make my circuit from here. I can use line or polyline. Here line or polyline, but it is preferred to use this polyline. From here to here. Now also copy. Copy and copy. Now if I connect all this luminaire in one circuit, and the line which come from the panel port called the home run, we must calculate in the beginning how many watt included all this luminaire. Now it is 15. Calculator. If we multiply 15 by 56, now the circuit will be 840. I think it is allowed to connect all of this because it is not met the 1.5 kilowatt. Now also I will connect this luminaire together. From the each luminaire. From here to here. And also here I will continue polyline here, for example, from here to here, enter. And also I can repeat the order by press the space, enter. Here I want to make flat with type F A L E T. Now see here, I want to make arc here, enter. R, the radius will be 0.2 for example, or 0.3 or 0.1 as you want. From here, now see this arc, the radius of this arc is 0.2. Now also I will continue to connect all this luminaire in one circuit. And here also. And here also. And also here I will connect, if we consider all this office number 2 luminaire in one circuit, I will must connect all of them to show that they appear in one circuit, from here to here also, and from here. One circuit mean one home run, one line neutral earth from the distribution panel. Now here I must also connect those two groups to be shown in one circuit. From here, for example, connect here like this. Flip. Now all the circuits shown, or this is description to show all this luminaire in one circuit by connecting all of them in one line. Now at the end of the circuit, from here or here, I will mention that we'll copy this text, for example. Here in this text I will mention that let's begin from L1 to F dot E dot P slash 9 slash LTG. What is this? This is the name. This means the home run from here going to the final distribution panel, which is this. Also I can mention from this point or this point or this point, any place, but in the reality the electrician will take the nearest point from the panel port and put the home run. For example, I move here, but only this is mentioned that all these luminaires in one circuit. And also the second important thing, I can also make all of those lines for 1 and 2 in the red color. For example, if I want to put all of this, but it is not necessary. Here can put all my lines to show that this is in the red phase, because 1 and 2 in the red and 3 and 4 in the yellow. Also 5 and 6 blue phase. See, we can put all of my lines here by the red color to show this is in the red, in the phase red. And here from this point the home run will be connected from the nearest track. The electrician will connect this. I can mention this home run, but it is not necessary. Now even we know this from this line, we need to go here to this panel port.